Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year 2026. I'm very pleased to be with Mr. Klaus Dierkes of Lenze, who is going to talk to us about the IE5 and IE6 motor drive systems. So Klaus, I hand over to you. You have 3 minutes to explain why the IE6 and IE5 motor drive systems should be considered as Product of the Year. Over to you.
Okay, hello everybody. Today, the market requires to increase machine output in a more reliable, competitive, and simpler machine concept. This is exactly where the Lenze IE5 IE6 motor drive system makes a difference. It is not just a high efficiency motor, it's a complete drive system combining the motor M550, the G500 gearbox, and I550 or I650 drive technology into one scalable solution. The key advantage is sensorless performance. Traditionally, conveyors with a high demanding speed accuracy, positioning, synchronized motion, or dynamic start-stop applications often require servo systems with encoder. While effective, these systems add hardware, wiring commissioning effort, installation space, and cost. With Lenze sensorless control, the drive knows the rotor position without an external encoder. This enables demanding motion tasks with a much simpler architecture. No encoder, less cabling, less hardware, less engineering effort, faster commissioning, and fewer potential failure points. Performance remains impressive. The system delivers up to 300% overload capability, stable speed control, and accurate positioning, making it ideal for packaging, conveying, palletizing, winding, and material handling applications. For many low and mid-range motion tasks, it offers a smart alternative to traditional servo solutions. The result? Lower machine costs, less engineering effort, simpler installation, and higher availability. By eliminating feedback hardware and reducing complexity, machine builders can lower total cost of ownership while creating more compact machine designs. And with IE5 and IE6 efficiency levels, energy consumption, operating costs, as well as the carbon footprint are reduced throughout the machine lifecycle. But the real value isn't only saving energy. The real value is achieving more with every kilowatt. More uptime, more stable processes, more output, more competitive machine. The message is simple. Less complexity, more performance, better business. Lenze helps machine builders design machines that are easier to build, commission, and maintain, while delivering measurable performance gains for their customers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Klaus. Clearly, there is a lot more to find out about the IE5 and IE6 motor drive systems. We'll provide a link so that you can follow through and check out what Lenze has to offer. So thank you, Klaus. This is your entry for the DPA Product of the Year. We wish you every success, and we see you on the next video.